Kim Davis strikes again. Supreme Court petition and public outrage. It's been 10 years since Kim Davis became a household name in America. Now, she's back in the headlines, sparking outrage, support, and heated debate once again. But why? And why now? For those who may have forgotten, Kim Davis was a Kentucky county clerk who, in 2015, refused to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples, even after the Supreme Court had ruled that same-sex marriage was legal across the United States. She became a symbol, praised by some as a defender of religious liberty, condemned by others as a lawbreaker standing in the way of equality. Her defiance landed her in jail for several days, sparked nationwide protests, and ignited a culture war that divided the nation. Now, in 2025, Davis is back. Her legal team has submitted a 90-page petition to the United States Supreme Court. The petition doesn't just challenge her personal case. It goes after the very foundation of Obergefell versus Hodges, the landmark 2015 ruling that legalized same-sex marriage nationwide. The argument that Obergefell violated religious freedom protections and unfairly punished people like Davis, who said issuing marriage licenses conflicted with their faith. In other words, Kim Davis isn't just asking for personal vindication. She's asking the court to reconsider one of the most significant civil rights decisions in modern American history. The reaction was instant. LGBTQ plus rights groups blasted the petition as a dangerous attempt to turn back the clock. This is about erasing rights we've already fought for and won, one activist tweeted. On the other side, conservative and religious organizations cheered Davis, saying her fight proves that religious liberty is still under attack in America. But it wasn't just organizations weighing in. The internet exploded. Actor Sally Field's son, Sam Griesman, went viral when he called Davis a hideous asterisk on social media. His comments sparked a firestorm. Some applauded his boldness. Others criticized the language. It shows just how emotional this debate remains. Even a decade later, the controversy raises bigger questions. Should religious beliefs allow public officials to refuse services? Does freedom of religion mean freedom to discriminate? Or is this simply about enforcing the law of the land, which guarantees equal rights to all citizens regardless of sexual orientation? Critics argue that Davis is dragging America backwards, reopening wounds that were beginning to heal. They say this is not about faith, but about denying equal treatment under the law. Supporters counter that the government should not force anyone to violate deeply held religious convictions, especially public servants. This renewed push comes at a pivotal moment. Under President Trump, whose administration and appointment of conservative Supreme Court have paved the way for religious liberty cases to gain traction. With 6 conservative justices now seated, Davis's petition resonates with powerful evangelical and Christian groups who feel emboldened by the shift in political climate. At the Southern Baptist Convention's annual gathering, delegates passed a resolution urging the repeal of Obergefell, calling it incompatible with biblical views of marriage. Evangelical legal networks like Liberty Counsel and the Alliance Defending Freedom have also stepped up, echoing Davis's call by framing the Supreme Court's decision as a threat to deeply held religious beliefs. Meanwhile, state legislatures in Missouri, Oklahoma, and Texas have introduced bills that challenge same-sex marriage at the local level. All of this suggests that Davis's case isn't just a personal fight. It's part of a coordinated national effort to reshape marriage law through both the courts and the culture. Whether this coordinated strategy becomes a turning point in American legal history, or simply reignites another cultural firestorm, remains to be seen. But one thing is certain. Kim Davis has once again placed herself at the center of one of the most controversial debates in modern America. Backhand index pointing right before you go. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and follow our channel for more breaking stories. Leave your thoughts in the comments. We want to hear from you.